Hey there! Today we're diving into a coding problem that involves a VS Code theme maker. The problem at hand is pretty tricky, as the name field is ending up inside the color object instead of being displayed separately. It's a common issue when dealing with React components and state management. Let's see how we can tackle this problem head-on. The solution lies in making a simple adjustment in the codeColincode component. By calling the codehandle name change code function, instead of codehandle color change code for updating the name key, we can ensure that the name is placed outside the color object as expected. It's all about using the right method for the right purpose, and with this small tweak, we can get the desired JSON structure for the theme. Now let's move on to the specific code snippet that makes this adjustment. In the codeColincode component, we update the codehandle change code function to correctly handle the name change. By using codehandle name change code when updating the name property and codehandle color change code for other color-related properties, we ensure that the name is placed in the right spot in the theme JSON object. This simple fix brings everything into place and ensures a clean and structured JSON output for the theme. And that's all there is to it. To wrap it up, we've successfully resolved the issue of the name field being placed inside the color object in the theme JSON. By making a small adjustment in the codeColincode component, we've ensured that the name now appears outside the color object as intended. Problem solved. Remember, coding is all about attention to detail and making the right adjustments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!